Metaphysical Books, Part 2, The True Power of Water, Healing and Discovering Ourselves, by Masaru Emoto.
Everything in life holds a vibration and a frequency. The more fluid that it is, then the stronger that vibration resonates. Like air is more fluid than water. Water is more fluid than earth, but all still contain a vibration and a frequency that they reverberate. Water is no different, and the majority of our bodies is made up of water. Now, Dr. Masaru Emoto conducted a study indicating how water reacts to different vibrations by writing things on the jars and then freezing them and displaying the crystals that form. He would write "thank you," or would just have general tap water, freeze it, and take a picture of the crystal through a microscope, and then that same tap water in a different jar would be prayed over, and then look at the crystals, and the crystals are completely different. Here are what the crystals look like in tap water, and here are what the crystals look like after they've been prayed over. This is a crystal of thank you. Here is one of peace. This is a crystal of water charged with the words "I hate you." You can literally see a man holding a bow and arrow. The words impressed upon the water have a strong impression upon the vibration that the water holds. So then the water that you drink, when you drink your water, will hold a certain vibration, so that when you ingest it, it will harmonize and influence the water and fluids within your body. And with your body being mostly water, it will have a strong impact on the vibration and frequency that you resonate and reverberate throughout the day. That's why whenever you see me, you're always gonna see words of understandings I'm trying to build on my waters, because I want my waters to hold the vibration of the things I'm wanting to experience, so that when I ingest it, it reflects that on my body. But like with everything, don't believe a word I say, don't believe a word Dr. Masaru Emoto says. The reason I like the word metaphysics is because it encourages you to be a scientist, create studies, and do your own research, so that you can discover through your own data that you collect and find what your findings are and what is really true and what isn't. Also in the book, Dr. Masaru Emoto shows you a research that you can do. Simply cook a pot of rice and place a clump into one jar and place a clump of the same rice into another jar. Then every day, walk up to one jar and tell it, "You fool." Walk up to the other jar and tell it, "Thank you." But try it for yourself and see what's true and what's not. But check out this book and stay tuned for part 3.